Oh, hi fans! I'm just playing with my new paper now because I'm gonna decorate her birthday. And you know this girl? His name is Luna. Not Lana. Luna. So, if I will put her some, wait. So she's ugly right now, but I put on some makeup. Hey! Those just the pillows.
Actually, I think happy ako sa performance ko sa naging sagot ko. And potentially, that's the reason why there is, or the result is on...
First, we get this and
masaya
this.
naman ako. Pero of course, kailangan ka rin ako mag-effort. Especially kung magaling din yung mga
Put it in here.
preparation din para sa weekend.
And this is the lipstick. I don't know how to make a lipstick.
30 years old, I'm 30 currently. So it was just only last year since I started choosing my
And this is like this one, like this.
Currently, nasa call me mother era ako. Bakit mo
For
Kasi
like
di ba
this.
kanaka-naka kung kasamang pumikira sa
Get
apartment ko,
or
which
like
we
a
call it
tiny
the
brush.
house. And of course, ngayon, since nanalo ako sa Miss UNA, hopefully akong grand finals para tumawid naman ako sa The Greatest Show.
Wow! Ang ganda niya. Mga pelikula ni Bebe.
I look like I have makeup.
I'm working sa corporate office. It's a tech company. Nasa training field ako.
So, ano yung madalas yung ginagawa?
Normally, kami yung sa supportive version role ko. So, kapag magkaroon ng problema sa operation, sa business, kami yung tumutulong, kami
And
nag-a-assess.
first, we need the hairbrush.
Ano pa yung pwede natin gawin para mag-improve yung performance?
And we all do the polish.
8 years.
Wala ka bang plano na mag-change or mag-shift ng career habit?
And I forgot something, but
hindi ako mag-shift, but I am going to
you know what this is? A foundation. This is a foundation. I don't know.
direction. Get around.
Kung papapalitan niya yung boss sa kumpanya. Pwede rin, di ba? Mag-a-upgrade
Oh my
siya.
God.
Pero ano, nabanggit mo kanina na magiging nanalo ka.
Yes.
So, paano ka maghahanda para sa weekend?
Ako lagi kong sinasabi.
And
sa
I
sarili
forgot
ko na
something
I want
to put on
enjoy
there.
it. I mean, not being funny, yes, but I have to ensure na na-enjoy ko yung moment ko. And at the same time, ibigay ko kung ano yung hinihingi ng judges sa kanila mene, which is yung witty.
Yes. Baka may mga message ka sa mga magiging kalaban mo sa weekly finals. Ano yun?
I would like to say, advancing sa weekly finals, galingan natin, bumawi tayo sa mga
You
previous
wear
weeks.
eyeglasses to sit
Very modern. Balikan ko lang kasi sabi niya na parang ang dumating sa kanya is kailangan yung mga weekly na questions deserve ng weekly na sagot. So paano mo hinahanda yung sarili mo?
And I
Paano
forgot.
ka practice para maging weekly yung mga answers mo?
Actually, there is no formative formula para sa nila, kapag nag-vote, number 1 step, 1 step, 2 step, kung ano yung unang tungak mo sa isip mo, kasi parang meron tayong thoughts, diba, sa 10 year, kung ano yung unang mong nakuha, kung yung kayo, tapos bakit
the shoes.
So, kaya kanina sabi ko, yung pineapple, yung Hawaiian pizza, mag-hindi ka ng pineapple, peppers, tapos, what can be used para i-describe yung situation nila companies sa party. Tapos yun, of course, kailangan relatable kasi kailangan na-capture ng audience na kasama ka rin sa
And
sagot.
time for the
Mag-judge ka na lang. Actually, gusto ko mag-host ng
Oh
show.
my God.
Kasi feeling ko wala pang galing Miss
God.
Q&A na host dito. Meron na before.
May mga naging host
Oh
before,
my
pero
God.
sa setting,
It
wala.
works!
Bali natin, napaulit.
And see me in the emoji cat video and to Given Babawal. Bye! I hope you like the video!
Kailangan hindi ka aligaw.